What up, everybody? So, I will be showing you how to find NFT projects early, which will give you an advantage and also give you an opportunity to make some serious bank. So, why do we need to get into an NFT project early? Why? It's because of currently right now, CryptoPunks is, let's see, the floor price is around 14K. That's the volume that's being traded in the ETH. Right now, minimum is about what, 100,000. And in 2018, they were actually giving them out as a free image. Since then, time has passed, and now they are worth a lot. So if you want to get into NFT, what you need to do is you need to capitalize on early projects. And at the end of the video, I will be sharing with you one project that has the ability to moon based on the people that are behind the project and the community around it. Okay, so first things first, I was actually trying to get into the pre-list for the Mechaverse. I signed up for the pre-list because I know that this project is hot. And you had an ability to mint at 0.02, and that was just a couple days ago. Now the floor price is 5.9 ETH. So that's a big profit right there if you were to flip it. And who knows, this project might moon, it might decrease depending on how it does. But right now, it's not even revealed, and it's 5.9 ETH, and that is the floor price. So, how do we find these projects? What you need to do is you need to use a tool that you probably heard before. But I'm not just going to show you what the tool does. I'm also going to show you what to look for when diving into these projects. So now that you know how important and crucial it is when it comes to getting into an early project like Mechaverse, Cyberkongs, Cryptodes, Neo Tokyo Identities, I actually have a Dodge Pound in my wallet. So that's one of the things that I'm planning to hold long term because of what the project and the access and the utility that we have based on having that Dodge Pound item. Now, what is the tool? Well, you've probably seen this one, raritytools.com. So these list a lot of upcoming projects on OpenSea and Solana. So what you need to do is you need to, this is yesterday's sales, find a project. And remember, the things we look for, the community, who's behind it, and the roadmap. So let's just click this one. And remember, stay tuned because at the end, I'll be showing you one project that is going to moon. So don't miss it. So let's just use Cyber Hornets. This is just an example. Let's click their Twitter. 61,000 This might have a potential. So as you can see, most of them, when you open it up, it has 3,000, 5,000, but this one's already have a big following. Now let's check their Discord group. Discord 15,000. That is a good following. Now, what you want to do is step number 2 is let's look at the team and the roadmap, or step number 3. So right now, we can 6 a.m. We can mint. We can actually mint this. 4,000 available to mint. The specs, the story, the benefits. Let's see. Hornets. Parabolic. Oh, this is actually. Let's check it out. Yes, now. So that is the price for that. 6 a.m. It's still. So actually right now we commit this. Public mints opens in bang. So we can actually mint this. Connect to the wallet. And then we can mint for 0.064. So if you mint just one, 0.08. And that's pretty much it. Now, let's just use this as another example. Chain goes. Let's check out their Twitter. And then they have about, account suspended. See, this is not a good sign. This is the things that you want to look for. Discord, let's see if they have what's going on in their Discord. 3,000. That's okay. So let's scroll down. See, you can go and do this for a very long time. There's lots of NFTs to do. So what you want to do is you want to do your research. You got to research because it's very important and very crucial. The research aspect. That's pretty much it in terms of what to look for, what tool to use. But here's the most important thing. Look at what project. Remember, you have to find your intention. Do you want to hold? Do you want to flip? Or do you want to do both? Figure out in terms of what you want to do with the NFT collection. Some NFT collections I just hold for a very long time. And some I make a quick flip. And I have strategies that show you what you can do if you want to flip or not. But in terms of the outcome, always trying to have the end in mind. But as I promised, I will be sharing with you one project that you need to get in because it is going to explode. So here it is. Jungle Freaks. 19.9k followers. If you look at the Discord, I'm already in the Discord group. So 32,000 members. So a strong following. 8,751 active online. And here's the good news for you. The mint is coming soon. So if you watch this video, you're able to hop on this collection then you're going to make some serious bank. With that being said, I want you to comment, like, subscribe, and enjoy. Peace.